Y'all, why they call this red cabbage when this is clearly purple? But anyway. Alright, Jems, so now I'm going to do a food haul. So we went to 3 stores, a Dollar Tree, which is a $1.25 tree now, Walmart, and what was the other one? Kroger. Okay, so we're going to start with Walmart. So this is everything that we got today is for our Thanksgiving meal. So we picked up several bags of yams because we're going to be doing different recipes with this. I have some onions. We picked up 2 trouts. Also have some romaine lettuce. Picked up some collard greens, 2 bags of that. I have some frozen spinach. Cool Whip for the dessert that my nephew's going to be making. We picked up several things of butter because butter make it taste better. We also have some different types of cheese for the mac and cheese. So I have Colby Jack. I have sharp cheddar cheese. I have another cheese around here which I'll come across. We picked up some salad dressing. So we have the classic ranch, the Catalina brand. We have zesty Italian. I have some whipping cream. Also I picked up celery. I'm going to be making a nice pot of chicken noodle soup today. Picked up the big thing of carrots. Then I have some bok choy for my rice that I'm going to be doing. Then I picked up some condensed milk. Who's using the sweetened condensed milk? Oh, for you. I was like, oh, this is not for the mac and cheese. The other thing of butter. I'm going to be doing some egg rolls for my beautiful niece today. Y'all, shout out to my niece Crystal. Make sure y'all hit up in the blog because she's doing an amazing job of vlogging for her auntie, and I so appreciate it. Okay, so I'm going to be doing some cauliflower rice. So I picked up cauliflower. We have some whole milk here. I have some walnuts for the banana bread. And then what would the banana bread be without the bananas? Then this is the other cheese that I have, the mild cheddar. We have some brown sugar, 2 packs of those. These are my egg noodles for my chicken noodle soup. Then we have some little peppermint. What is this for? It looks like it'll be a cute little hot chocolate thing. So we have some. Okay, so we have the kit for some peppermint hot chocolate. Thank you, sis.
Which is for the Keurig over there.
Which is for the Keurig machine. Then I picked up some more, some chicken broth. So I have several things of chicken broth. Well, actually I have chicken and vegetable stock for my soup. Then it's beautiful, beautiful. Y'all, why they call this red cabbage when this is clearly purple? But anyway, we have some colorful cabbage. Pick that up. Then I have the, what I like to call the baby cabbage, which is Brussels sprouts, so we're going to have that. Then I have some condensed milk for our mac and cheese. Then we have some regular potatoes for the potato salad. I'm going to be doing shrimp and broccoli, so I picked up a couple of heads of broccoli, cherry tomatoes. My nephew's going to be doing a chocolate cake, so we have some frosting here. And then I have my almond flour for my banana bread. I picked up several packs of the bell peppers for different dishes that we're going to be cooking. Then we got the little fancy cucumbers, y'all. That's only because they didn't have the cheaper ones. This is the only ones that they had. So this is going to be going in our salad. Then I have the feta cheese. It's going to go into my spinach mix. We have some turkey bacon to go into the collard greens. And then I poured a pack of chicken breast that I'm going to use for my chicken noodle soup. And then I have fresh garlic. Yes, we're doing it fancy, honey. We're not doing the bottle garlic. So I'm going to be chopping up and mincing some of this garlic. And then niece, if you could pan over this way. Now, in my last vlog, I showed y'all when the last time I went to Walmart, I picked up the sweaters that I showed you. So since I was back, I grabbed the white one as well. This was like 14 bucks. Then over here, I have sweet corn on the cob. It's going to be a part of my soup. Extra virgin olive oil. Then we have some sugar. I picked up the Hellmann's mayonnaise because I like to make my potato salad using Hellmann's mayonnaise. I can't do the store-bought brand because it just throws it all off, and I'm not going to have people talking about I can't make potato salad. Oh no, it's not going down like that. So I picked up some soy sauce. Then we have some vanilla, pure vanilla extract for 2 of the desserts that we're making. And then of course you know I had to pick up my complete seasoning because the meal ain't complete unless you have complete. Then I have some chocolate pudding. And so that is it for the Walmart haul. So now over here, if you can over here. We're going to be doing a lot of things with eggs. So Walmart had the big 60 count eggs. So we're going to be using this for several different things. Then from Kroger, supermarket, I'm going to make some acai bowls. And so I picked up the acai packet. And then these are the pie crusts that my nephew is using to make his pies. And also part of the dish is going to be salmon because we're not doing a traditional Thanksgiving. We freestyling and they're doing our own thing. Nobody here really messes with turkey and all that. So I picked up this beautiful salmon from Kroger. Also you picked up some elbow macaroni and cheese. We got 2 boxes because my sister had got a box. She didn't know that I picked up the box, so we ended up having 2. The big one and the mommy and the baby. So anyway, this stuff never goes to waste. You can always use that. Then, this is the cake mix for my nephew's recipe. We almost finished, and then over here, I'll come to you. Don't go anywhere, y'all. I'm coming. We're almost done. So, from the $1.25 tree, I'm going to be doing like this saran wrap game, and y'all see that in the later vlog. And so I picked up some kind of like stocking stuffers, if you will. So I just picked up some socks, a couple of pairs of socks. And again, this is from the Dollar Tree. Just little packets of candy. This is a phone stand. It's okay. Yeah. Candy, more candy. And then I picked up like 3 boxes of the plastic wrap because the part of the game is I'm going to need some of the saran wrap to wrap up, what I'm doing. And then we need some pans. I picked up several pans, large and medium-sized pans, for our food to go in. And then I just picked up just a little thing of deodorant. Again, these are stocking stuffers. And family, I think that's pretty much it for the haul. Oh, I missed this. He's making stuff. What is he doing with this?
It's like a raspberry
lemonade
tart.
Okay, so he's going to be doing a raspberry lemonade tart. And y'all make sure y'all check out my cooking channel because I am going to record him doing this. So it'll be uploaded sometime this week. So make sure y'all be on the lookout for that. And then I think, that's pretty much it. So, Jems, thank you so much for tuning in to watch what we bought on our shopping spree. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and then also make sure you put in the comment section how much you think all this stuff costs, okay? And we're going to see who comes closest, to the getting the right thing. I'm not giving away any prizes for it, so just be, know that. But anyway, just see how good you are. If you're, true shoppers out there, by looking at all this stuff, see if you can guesstimate how much it costs, okay? So I love you guys. Be well. Happy holiday to you and your family. If you're safe, if you're traveling, if you're driving, be safe. If somebody else is driving you, whether you're coming by train, plane, automobile, I pray that the person that's responsible for getting you there is in their right state of mind and everything is okay with them. And everyone just be blessed, safe, happy holiday, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Do you want to do a thumbnail?
Yeah, I'll do one. Yeah, Actually,
like sitting in front of...
Actually, just leave it there.
Okay. All right.